Now for part 2, let's see the magic words you whispered to the computer to make each part happen. We call these commands. Step 1, get the big picture on your table. Clone means bring the whole coloring book from the big shared table to your own little table. You only do this once. Step 2, make your own copy to scribble on. This command makes the photocopy and takes you to your own table. We name the copy Add Orange Fish so your friends know what you're doing. Step 3, color. Each commit is like taking a photo of your work. If you ruin the fish later, you can always go back to a photo from before it went wrong. The message is just you writing on the back of the photo. Step 4, show your copy to the class. Push carries your work up to the big shared table so friends can peek at it. It's still your separate copy, not glued in yet. Step 5, the pull request. GitHub shows everyone what you added. Your fish glows green, then come the sticky notes. Your friends might say wobbly tail, line 42. You fix it at your table and push again. Final step, glue it in. When everyone says yay, we merge it. Then you tidy up your table. Go back to the big table, pull down the new real picture with your fish in it, and throw away your photocopy. You don't need it anymore. One secret, sometimes 2 friends color the same spot. Git says, uh-oh, who wins? That's a merge conflict. It just means a human has to choose.